Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Today we are looking at the BMW X1, which seems to have an issue with the boot shocks. I know some people call them struts, but we'll use the term shocks for this video. It can't close, so this is what we are trying to get it to. We're trying to replace the shocks so that it can close and open in a controlled way. I ordered these ones that we're unboxing now from eBay UK, and I'll leave the link in the bio. These shocks are really important because they manage how the door comes down and how it goes up, and if not replaced, it can actually be dangerous if the door comes down onto someone. So we are looking at the new ones, comparing them with the old ones, and if you see any grease on the surface of the old ones, it means that the shock is either bleeding or is bleeding or is leaking. The hydraulic functioning of the shock is no longer there. As you saw there, it uses a ball and socket mechanism. What holds the shock on the body of the car is that ball. To remove it, you just stick your flat screw into the ring and pull back, and as you pull back, pull the shock out. It will come out easily. Do the same thing for all four sides of the shock on the car, left side and right side. The shocks don't seem to have a side. You can use them on either side, and in case you're putting it in and the shocks are not aligned with the shock, or the ball is not aligned with the socket, you can always twist it around and push it in like so. So now we are done here. Looks like we are done here. Let's just test and see whether anything has changed with the new shocks that we've put in. So those are the old ones and the flat screw that we used, and when you push the boot down, it actually resists. There's now some element of resistance and requires a lot of effort to push it down, and when you open, you don't need to open it all the way. So looks like we are done here. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.